Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I'm joining in with 5 awesome creators. Hope you go check out all their channels. This challenge is This Is My Thing. And it could be anything you wanted to have it on. And since Grandma's into fairies, she put her video up about fairy gardens. Every one of these creators did something different. Please go and check out and see the beautiful variety of different things they do on their channels. And I know you're going to love all 5 of them. They are great, great creators and they have great channels. Go check everyone out. They're all beautifully put together. Now let's go see what Grandma did. I did 3 little miniature gardens just for your pleasure. Hope you enjoy them. Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. It is fairy garden time. Don't have too many new things today. This little fairy here is my newest little fairy. She was $6.99 and she's got the prettiest little rosy cheeks you've ever seen. And is she not beautiful? Her clothes and wings match the pretty little fairy house behind her. What do you think? And then of course the house I've had and used in past posts. And of course this little sweet fairy, we've used her in a past post too. As you can see, they're both posing with their hands right up next to their cheeks together, trying to show us how cute they both are. Then I bought these little tangerines, and there's 3 bunches here, and they were $1.20 each. So I thought they looked pretty nice. What do you think? Add a little more color to this fairy garden. And of course a little bit of flowers also on both sides. And a little tangerine tree in the back. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty good considering everything. Really enjoyed putting this together and sharing it with you. Hope you enjoyed this little miniature garden. And it wasn't too bad of a deal, under $10. As I was strolling through the garden, look what I came upon. A new baby fairy. And of course, the woodland creatures are always keeping an eye on the fairies. They always help babysit the babies. A beautiful guardian butterfly to keep an eye out up high to make sure nobody comes sneaking in. And 2 little bunnies to watch over this cute baby fairy. And look at how sweet this one here looks. So precious, is it not? We have a fairy bunny. Isn't it cute? This is a totally free post. Hope you enjoyed it. Everything here I've had for quite some time. The little fairy bunny probably have had it for at least 3 or 4 years, and maybe 4 or 5 years for the baby. Oh, I thought it looked so cute. Let me know what you thought. Which one of these 3 fairy gardens were your favorites today? We had 1 that we spent some money on, and 2 that were totally 100% free. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. 3 more fairy gardens today. Always enjoy seeing what I can come up with. Now here's another one of our free fairy gardens right here. Nothing here is new. I've used it in past posts or had it quite some time. What do you think? Now, this little fairy is one of my newer fairies, but as you can see, I've used her in a past post, and she has her little doggy friend, and the little bird in between her two hands I've already had. I thought it looked really cute with her, and I just placed him in between her hands. The bird bath I've used in a past post, but the one little blue bird on the corner, you know we've used before, who came with the bird bath. But the other two birds are just coming in for a little bath, and they are not new. I've had them, well, all three of the birds, I've probably had them 3 or 4 years. And then, of course, my little fairy looking at her butterfly on her hand. What do you think? I thought for a free fairy garden, looked pretty good today. You know, Grandma, she's always looking for some freebies. Now, let's go see what else we can find in the fairy garden.